Imagine a bird that was officially declared extinct in the wild over 2 decades ago. Today, new evidence shows it is still alive and thriving. We are diving into the incredible story of the Alalá's survival against all odds. The Hawaiian crow, known locally as the Alalá, was once a common sight across the islands. However, due to habitat loss and invasive species like cats and mongooses, they vanished from the wild by 2002, leaving only about 110 birds surviving in captivity on Maui and the Big Island. To save the species, conservationists launched a desperate mission to reintroduce them. Over 20 years after their official extinction in the wild, 5 crows, 3 males and 2 females were released into the remote forests of East Maui in December 2024. This release was a high-stakes gamble. Historically, reintroduction attempts outside the Big Island have failed, but this new effort marks a significant shift in strategy. A coalition of nonprofit, state, and federal partners worked tirelessly to prepare these specific individuals for their return. The results are shocking and heartening. More than a year after, those 5 birds were set free into the wild. Every single one of them is still alive. Experts are now optimistic that this specific reintroduction attempt may yield far better results than those of the past. This survival proves that with dedicated scientific support and habitat protection, extinct species can return to their natural homes. It highlights the critical importance of stopping invasive predators and restoring native forests before it is too late for other vulnerable birds. The Alalá is a unique species found nowhere else on Earth, holding a special place in native Hawaiian culture. Their survival offers a beacon of hope that even after being thought lost, nature can be restored with the right human intervention and care. The Humbert and the Never-Amarals. Fight for the Alalá is far from over, but their survival shows us what's possible. What other species do you think deserves a second chance? Let me know in the comments below.